In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to one name on Facebook for Android and iOS. We'll use the Facebook app to adjust your display name so it shows a single name where this is supported. I'll guide you through each screen and share a few important notes along the way. Start by opening the Facebook app on your phone. On the main screen, look for the menu icon, the three horizontal lines. On most iPhones, it's at the bottom right. On many Android devices, it's at the top right. Tap that to open the menu. In the menu, scroll until you see Settings and Privacy, and tap it to expand those options. Then tap Settings to enter your account controls. This is where you can manage your personal information, security, and profile details. Inside Settings, look for Meta Account Center. This is the centralized place where Meta lets you manage profile information across its apps. Tap Meta Account Center to continue. Now choose your Facebook profile from the list. If you have multiple profiles or linked accounts, make sure you select the profile where you want to display a single name. Next, open your name settings by tapping your name. This will bring up the fields for first name, middle name, and last name, along with any previews Facebook provides. To move toward a single name display, delete the text in the last name field. After you remove it, tap the spacebar once. This keeps the field technically populated without adding visible characters in many keyboards. Then review the preview of how your name will appear. If the app prompts you to confirm changes or review how it will look, follow the on-screen instructions to proceed. It's very important to know that Facebook's name standards and regional policies may not allow a first name only. In those regions, the app may show an error, automatically re-add a last name, or require you to enter one to continue. Policies also vary by language and local regulations, and you may be asked to confirm your identity if the system flags the change. Additionally, Facebook limits how often you can change your name, so make sure everything looks correct before confirming. If the option is available for your account and region, complete any final prompts to save. Once done, give the app a moment to update. Your profile should reflect the new display shortly. That's it. You navigated to the menu, opened Settings and Privacy, went into Settings, entered Meta Account Center, selected your profile, opened your name, removed the last name, and took note of the regional policy considerations. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you set up your preferred display name responsibly.